basically exercise করা secondly suppose this is a triangle, right angle triangle ABC where C is 90 degree as you know. If we have to consider the all trigonometric ratios, suppose sin A, cos A, tan A and all, then all the center angle is what? A. If the center angle is A, then we will take the side along with the angle A is called base. Clear? And opposite is perpendicular and opposite of the third side is hypotenuse. But if we take the angle, center angle C, suppose if we take the center angle C, then we will take sorry not C, B, because C is right angle only and these are two acute angles, okay. We will measure all the trigonometric ratios based on that acute angles only, not this, okay. If we take this A, we will get base B, this and perpendicular is opposite to A. But if we take the center angle B, then what we will take? See, if we take the center angle B, then the line which is lying with that angle B, it is base. It becomes base. If angle is B, angle B we take, then this is the base and opposite of B is perpendicular. Okay? Then trigonometric ratio becomes same. If sin B means what? P by H. P by H means what? Here P is what? If we take angle B, where P is what? Opposite of B is what? AC. Okay? And H is AB. Like that. Okay? Cos B means base by hypotenuse. Base is what? Here BC by hypotenuse AB. So variation of angles can what? Vary the trigonometric ratios. Because we have two acute angles. Anyone we can take. Either A or B. According to that, the ratios will be changed. Number 2 rule. Number 3 rule. In class 10, we get the angle measurement from 0 to 90 degree. We get a table of trigonometric ratios from 0 to 90 degree. Okay? How the table works, or how we can remember the table. Ratios, trigonometric ratios, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. First ratio comes sin theta. These are the angle which is you can take as theta. Suppose this is the triangle where this is theta and this is 90 degree. Sin 0, cos theta, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, and after that cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. See, sin 0 means 0. How you can determine? You can also remember in this formula, root over 0 by 2, root over 1 by 2, okay, root over 2 by 2, 2. Root over 3 by 2. Root over 4 by 2. Now see the exact values. Root over 0 by 2 means what? Root over 0 means 0. 0 by 2 is 0. Root over 1 by 2 means what? 1. Root over 1 means what? 1. So 1 by 2. Sin 30 means half. Okay? Sin 45 means root over 2 by 2 means what? 1 by, because here see, root over 2 by 2 means what? Root over 2 into root over 2 means 2. That's a 1 root 2 gone, 1 root 2 gone. Then 1 by root 2. Sin 45. Okay? Sin 60 root over 3 by 2. And sin 90 root over 4 by 2 means what? Root over 4 means what? Root over 4 2 by 2 means 1. That is the exact value. Sin 0 0. Sin 30 1 by 2. Sin 45 1 by 2. Sin 60 root 3 by 2. Sin 90 2 by 2. See, one formula we have root over 0 by 2, root over 1 by 2, root over 2 by 2, root over 3 by 2, root over 4 by 2. Simply this formula you can remember all the values. Okay? Now cos theta is easy. See, 1 sin 90 means 1. You can put it here. Sin 60 means root 3 by 2. You can put here. Okay? Oppositely, sin 45 means 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 is also here. Opposite. Sin 30 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2. And sin 0 0 here. Means 0 1 by 2 1 by root 2 root 3 by 2 to 1. And here 1 root 3 by 2 1 by root 2 1 by 2 and 0. Oppositely. Okay? Clear? Tan theta. See. 0 by 1. 0 by 1 means what? 0. 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2. 2 to cancel. 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Same. Same by same. 1. Okay? Root 3 by 2, 1 by 2. 2 to cancel. Root 3. Sin theta by cos theta, tan theta. And 1 by 0. That means not defined. Clear? Now see, these are said. Sin theta is ready, cos theta is ready, tan theta is ready. After that, you can find out whatever you want. Okay? Because cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. Reciprocal of 0 means what? Not defined. Because cot theta is opposite of tan theta, reciprocal. 1 by root 3. Tan theta is 1 by root 3 and cot theta is root 3 by 1. Okay? Tan theta 45 is 1. Opposite of 1 is 1. Here root 3, 1 by root 3. Here not defined, 0. Okay? 0, reciprocal of 0 is not defined and reciprocal of not defined is 0. Simply. Sec theta. Reciprocal of cos theta. 1, 1. Root 3 by 2, 2 by root 3. 1 by root 2, root 2 by 1. 1 by 2, 2. And 0, not defined. Simply. Okay? Cosec theta, opposite of sin theta. Opposite of sin theta, 0. Reciprocal of 0 is not defined. Simply 1 by 2, reciprocal is 2. 1 by root 2, 2. Root 3 by 2, 2 by root 3. Then 1 is 1. So this is the table. First we have to find out this 3. After that we can find out this 3. Clear?